Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Mohini and I make videos to fashion, travel, lifestyle, gamer and a lot more. And today I have Naz with me. Hi. Naz, you wanna share something about you?
Yes, अभी हमने मोहिनी के चैनल के लिए नहीं, मेरे चैनल के लिए एक वीडियो बनाई है, जाके वो चेक करना. इट्स अ सुपर फन वीडियो वेयर मोहिनी हार गई.
Like
मैंने रिवील कर दिया shit. But फिर भी वीडियो is super entertaining.
So that video is guess the food challenge.
Yes, it's guess the food challenge where one of us makes the other person taste food and they have to be blindfolded, of course. And with their tasting skills, they have to guess which food item it is.
Which was very difficult, but still, we actually were on tiebreaker only.
Yeah.
Like half point I gave you on mercy basis, right?
Oh my god!
Although that was...
Guys, now you have to check the video and comment that if it was given on mercy basis or genuinely I was right.
Chalo,
Please
theek
batao.
hai. We'll see. And tab tak let's get back to this video. So this is also a challenge. This is a makeup challenge,
Right.
in which basically ye looks nahi hai. This is what we already have. We're gonna remove this and do our makeup again.
Yes.
But with a twist. So the twist is that we cannot use our right hand. We just have to use our left hand to blend, to apply, to do everything basically. So just with left hand, and if that's something which interests you, then keep on watching. So guys, we are here with our makeup removed and skincare done.
I feel so different without makeup on camera. Like
yeah, and I am very scared. Like, how are we going to do it? Like with left hands.
Yes.
But we'll start with the primer first. So I'm using the inside primer, and you're
using the Tri Sugar primer.
Okay, so let's just
left hand. Oh god.
Oh, I didn't realize. I just opened it with right. Oh shit.
Chalo.
But I'll use it with left only, and I'll try to merge. I'll have to merge with left hand only. यार blend भी इससे करना पड़ेगा मतलब.
जी.
Shit man, it's going to be tough. I'm definitely not going to put eyeliner today because that will be just something.
That will be cherry on the cake.
Yeah, but the cake is enough for me today. I don't need cherries.
I have quite blended my primer.
So now we're gonna do our eyes first, and I am going to do a brown with a little bit of glitter. And what are you planning to do for your eyes?
I am also planning something glittery only.
So
and I'm using my eyebrow pencil first.
Okay, so I am gonna start with the eyeshadow, and this is the Wet n Wild palette which I'm gonna use, and
my eyebrow pencil is from Diana of London, and it's in the shade dark brown.
Feels so different my left hand, so वैसे मतलब like I don't know.
Oh god, what am I doing?
Oh my god, it's so difficult to blend, man. It's so difficult.
Guys, can you see my eyebrow lining? It's so tough.
Yeah, it's थोड़ी नीचे लग गया है. What I can see is,
I have to clean it.
So मतलब
I feel makeup is incomplete without your brows. So
yeah, I'll do my brows later. It's so difficult.
क्या कर रहे हैं हम?
क्यों कर रहे हैं हम? क्यों कर रहे हैं हम? So मैंने shadow लगा तो लिया है, इसको मैं blend ही ऐसे करूँ.
Okay.
Oh my god, this is a very tough challenge.
Next, I'm taking my concealer for my eyes, and I am going to apply it.
So guys, I have done a smart way. So what I've done is I'm going to use liquid glitter today. So that is easy to apply and blend. So
that's okay. I have some jugaad which I'm thinking.
Naz also has some jugaad, okay?
Oh my god, I feel with left hand my blending is so harsh on myself, like I can actually feel it. Now I'm taking my compressed powder to just set my concealer in place.
I'll try not to mess with the glitter now.
And just dipped my brush in this, not my brush, my beauty blender.
So my eyes look quite fine, as you can see. काफी ठीक ठाक blend हो गई हैं.
अब मैंने मोहिनी का ब्लेंडिंग ब्रश लिया. मैं जो मेरा एक्चुअली कॉन्टोर कलर है काला बार का, मैं उसमें डिप करके ब्लेंड करने वाली हूँ. और मैं डिसेंट ब्लेंडिंग कर रही हूँ यार.
That's good. Now I'm gonna conceal.
Nice blending, no?
Yeah, you did it. Like बुरी नहीं लग रही है बिल्कुल भी. like concealer. यार ये लगाना इतना मुश्किल लग रहा है मुझे. Oh shit, देखना मैंने अपनी lower lash line पे लगा दिया concealer गलती से. Yeah, what is happening, you guys? Can you see that? Like I have concealer on my lower lash line.
I'm so busy with my blending that I haven't seen her eyes. But देखो मैंने अच्छी crease line बना ली है brown color से.
Concealer ना पता है कैसे लग रहा है देखना मतलब क्या यार.
अब मैं इसको ना shimmery eye करने वाली हूँ. So I am taking this Nykaa highlighter palette.
Oh.
I am going to dip it like so.
And then just apply it.
Yes, क्योंकि मैंने crease line तो create कर ही दी है. So
Can you see how asymmetrical is my concealer? But I hope blend होने के बाद ये ठीक हो जाए.
oh, I did a pretty decent job. क्या यार मैं अपनी तारीफ कर रही हूँ.
Guys, जिनको नहीं पता है Naz is a makeup artist.
Yes.
So she takes up clients and stuff. So she is definitely much better on this job than me.
It's nothing like that. I don't do it with left hand on other people. I do it with my right hand.
It is so dependent on our right hands, no?
Guys, मैंने ना यहाँ पे ऊपर लगा दिया था glitter color. So now I'm just using this fluffy brush to blend it in and using my brown shadow to actually take it off. And वो काफी हद तक वर्क कर गया.
Like with the inner corners, the concealer is so difficult to like. ये इस तरह मुझे हो रहा है कि बस ये हल्का सा मेरा ऊपर ना लग जाए गलती से भी.
और मैं अब ब्लेंडिंग ब्रश ही यूज कर रही हूँ फॉर माई इनर कॉर्नर. इनर कॉर्नर पे मैं ग्लिटर करने वाली हूँ.
I also do it, but I do it in the last. I was about to switch the mirror and do it with my right hand. I don't know why I'm doing.
Guys, काफी हद तक मेरा मेकअप इन प्लेस है. बट मेरे को लगता है ऐसा मुझे थोड़ा पिंक और ऐड करना चाहिए. तो मैं यहाँ पे बस पिंक पैक कर रही हूँ.
I so want to use my right hand and just do it, get it done with. It's taking so much time.
और आज हम दिन में 3rd टाइम मेकअप करने वाले हैं बिकॉज इसके बाद हमें हैलोवीन पे कहीं जाना है.
Right. And इससे पहले हमने जो मेकअप किया था वो आपने देख ही लिया for the video we did for Naz's channel.
Yep. So
I guess the concealer is fine. Now I'm gonna.
And I am pretty satisfied with my eyes. I like my glitter, I think.
Just show it to me. Yeah, they look good. So I am also done with my eyes. I'm also done with the concealer. Now it is time for the foundation.
So is mine.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to do the foundation.
It's so different. Like left hand से right hand पे pump करना.
मैं ये MAC का NC40 यूज कर रही हूँ अपने आप पे.
Okay.
And just I have a little here, a little here. Mine is basically a little travel kind of thing.
So difficult, man. Just so difficult. So tell us something about your makeup artist journey.
So I was into blogging since like my graduation.
She was one of the first bloggers in Chandigarh.
Yes, that's actually true. So I started blogging in 2016. So that's when I started blogging. Like I created a blog account and everything, and yeah, that's how I started. And then couple of years I was doing my graduation, then I did my MA. So my father wanted me to have a stable income. That time Chandigarh mein blogging wasn't a sustainable job. Yeah. So I did my masters.
It still is not.
It still is not, but it's better than before.
Yeah.
So I did my masters in English, and then after that I started pursuing makeup as a career. He wanted me to become a makeup artist, my dad. So he told me that you should go for this career. And now I'm using this concealer to highlight.
Oh, I've also used Fit Me only.
But I feel with my left hand also I'm doing like a decent job.
Yeah, same here. It's a little difficult to blend. I feel but it's a little difficult.
मतलब
not
मेरे को ये
impossible.
पोक कर रहा था जब मैं अभी लगा रही थी. But मतलब हाईलाइटिंग में एरिया सही चूज कर रही हूँ. और मैं मतलब ऐसे सही लग रहा है मेरा. मतलब ऐसा ऑड नहीं लग रहा.
Right. It's a hard time for me to blend because it's taking like much longer than usual.
Yeah, that's true. Guys,
with the right hands we can do wonders, but with the left, it's like a little difficult. So my face is set. Now it's the easy part. It's the blush and highlighter stuff that can easily be done with the left hand. So I'm going to
I hope it's that easy, Mohini, jitna tu keh rahi hai.
No, I think it's going to be very easy, and I'm using my Maybelline Flush Blush. And
Guys, mera to abhi tak.
yeah, it's very easy, Naz. It's like very easy to like apply blush and stuff, I feel.
That's good. So as I was telling, so my dad wanted me to become a makeup artist. He was the one who suggested, and then I did 2 courses, one like national certification and one international. Even if I want to move abroad, like I'm pretty much certified to start my own makeup venture there.
That's great.
Yay! So I have done now my face, like I've covered my foundation. Now I'm using my powder with the same beauty blender and just going to dab it on my entire face.
So the contour is also like nicely done. हो गया.
That's the best. काफी हद तक हो गया.
The face looks quite nice. लग नहीं रहा है कि left hand challenge किया है. Like the eyes also look good.
Even I feel the same is for me.
है ना?
हाँ. I've just completed my powder. Now I'm going to do the rest of the face. But before that मैं under eye में थोड़ा सा वो करने वाली हूँ. Brown tone.
Oh.
Brightening मैं कर चुकी हूँ जितना मुझे चाहिए.
Okay. Time for highlighter.
See that brown effect on the under eye.
Yeah. Got it. What are you doing? हो गया मेरा makeup almost. मुझे ज़्यादा tension जितनी हो रही थी उतना difficult था नहीं. It is difficult, but it's not like very difficult.
So now I'm taking this Nykaa blusher brush and the Nykaa blush to just put a little bit of blusher on the apples of my cheek. Yay!
Now is the tricky thing. Like now I'm going to do my mascara, which is going to be very tricky.
Now I'm taking this Colourbar contour to contour my face. ऐसा थोड़ा थोड़ा लेती हूँ. ये बहुत dark pigment छोड़ता है.
Mascara is very difficult, guys. Like मेरा तो जब मैं राइट हैंड से लगाती हूँ तो मस्कारा ऊपर नीचे लग जाता है. I don't know मैं लेफ्ट हैंड से कैसे लगाने वाली हूँ.
So I'm taking my highlighter from this palette only. I'm just going to highlight my nose. या मैं फिंगर से लगा लेती हूँ. लेफ्ट हैंड यूज करना ना. ब्रश यूज करना जरूरी थोड़ा ना.
No. Mascara was very tricky, इसलिए मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं लगाया, but still it just worked. So I've done with the mascara. Now it's just the inner corners and the lipstick, and I am done with my makeup. I cannot believe कि it wasn't that difficult जितना इसकी hype थी.
मैं अब लिपस्टिक लगाने लगी हूँ पहले. Then I will do my mascara in the last. मैंने बस सेंटर पे लगाया and I'm going to blend this in क्योंकि I don't like very sharp lip colors.
I am going to do a brown lipstick. ये मैंने जितनी बार भी लगाई है, all of you have like always said कि ये बहुत अच्छी लग रही है. And now it's the time to apply this lipstick.
Now my last step for makeup would be mascara. I made a blunder.
What did you do? Oh shit!
That's okay, I'll clean it later. वो तो हमारे right hand से भी हो जाता है.
I'm done with my makeup. It looks quite nice and natural. It does not look like a left hand makeup.
I did 2 spots.
Oh wow!
Yeah, actually I was looking in the camera. वो लग गया.
Wow.
Okay, so I've cleaned my mascara with the dry cotton pad, and now I'm just taking the leftover foundation on my beauty blender to blend the spot if there is any. And that's it. I'm done with my makeup. I'm super excited. It doesn't look like a left hand job at all.
Exactly. Both of our makeups don't look like कि बिल्कुल भी left hand से किए हुए हैं. They look quite nice and they look really good, I feel.
Yeah, means we are very good with our talents. हम तो multi talented है. Left hand भी चला लेते हैं, right hand भी चला लेते हैं.
Right.
अब जब मुझे next time ज़्यादा makeup bookings आएंगे, एक मैं right hand से करूँगी, एक मैं left hand से करूँगी. Take.
It will be so fun. And
I love mine. Mohini, what do you think?
I also love mine. I really like it. It's like
I like the
super
glitter
blended.
eye thing.
Yeah, it's just totally fine. I don't feel like changing it for the night party. I just feel like going like this only. Okay guys, so that was it for this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed the video with Naz. There's one on her channel जो हमने आपको पहले बता दिया, तो you can go watch it now.
Yes, the food tasting video.
Yes, and that was it for this video. And we both liked our makeup. Do let us know what are your thoughts on our makeup in the comment section down below.
Yes.
We would love to hear from you. And thank you for watching. Till then, bye-bye.
Bye.
Love you.
Hi. I'm so cute. ये वीडियो में डाल देंगे हम.
ठीक है.
ये मत डालियो, ये वीडियो में डाल देंगे हम.
ठीक है.